Matthew here on a very windy day in Glacier Park, northern Montana, USA. Just doing some hiking out here. Anyway, I wanted to invite you to my other channel. It's called Earthly Eats. Now, I know you're probably on Ras Kitchen because you love Mako, Rati, the Jamaica vibes and all that kind of thing. But if you like the kind of traveling thing or the food or exploration or my style of shooting and editing, wow, it's getting very windy. Anyway, if you're into that kind of thing, please check out my other channel, Earthly Eats. It's all about adventure, travel, food, culture, just learning how to become more connected to the earth through exploration, through experimentation, and through meeting people and traveling. So I shot a bunch of stuff in New Zealand when I was living there a couple years ago, going diving for paua, finding mussels, getting clams, eating sea urchins. Shot a bunch of stuff in Bali that's coming up soon, like finding the elusive luwak coffee, which is cat poop coffee. I'm not even kidding, it's a real thing. We went basket fishing in Java, went rambutan hunting in Sumatra this last winter, and even stuff like going giant puffball hunting with my friends in Canada. So anyway, I hope you can check it out if you're into it. The link is below. It's called Earthly Eats, and there's a ton of good stuff coming to that channel also. So yes, more Ras Kitchen coming soon, and check out Earthly Eats if you like.